Hello, guys. Good morning. I am going to work on the Trump's Kundli. Whether he is how is it looking for him for this elections? His date of birth 14 June 1946, 10:54 a.m. He is born in Jamaica, that is in New York, near Queens. So let us get into his Kundli. Hmm? So this is how it looks like. Let us go to the basic Lagna. He is born on June. Sun will be in his sun will be in Taurus. Sun will be in Taurus, and he born around 10:54. So the Lagna is here. Um, Basically, in 10th house, it is the Sun and Rahu is in 10th house, and Ketu is in 4th house. So basically, he is like Ketu and Moon. When Ketu and Moon are together, Ketu and Moon are together, it specifies a particular thing. The Ketu and when Ketu and Moon together, then generally the Rahu will be in the 8th house. Rahu will be in the 8th house. Here, what is happening? The Rahu and Sun are also together. Right now, Rahu is, he has in his Kundli the Ketu is Ucha and Rahu is also Ucha, and right now the similar situation is happening because the Rahu has since September 23rd the Rahu has come to his own home. According to the Gochara Phala, the Gochara is the current aspecting of the planets. The Rahu is also Ucha and Ketu is also Ucha. Basically, how that signifies to his election and everything, let us take a look at it slowly. The moon is in Nicha position, the lowest position. The moon is lowest position, but that gets cancelled because of what it is called. The nichatva, or there will be, it becomes a Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga. Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga when it becomes when it is in the 4th house, that is Kendra Sthana. Nicha Bhanga Raja Yoga. But he has like Rahu is at 27.39 degrees and Ketu is also at 27.39 degrees. Moon is at 28.0. But here what is happening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is a Sampurna Kala Sarpa Dosha or Kala Sarpa Dosha or Kala Sarpa Yoga. But there is, according to this one, Kala Sarpa Dosha or Yoga can't be formed because of the moon has moved and the sun has moved a bit when it comes to the degree. Basically, what I see is like the Rahu moves in a reverse direction. The sun is on 29.50, so he is going to the this one Gemini. He is about to go to Gemini, and moon is about to go to yeah, about to go to the movement will be like this. So moon is about to go to the Sagittarius. It is at 28 degree, 28 degrees. So within another few hours, the moon would have gone to this place. Whenever the Ketu and moon are together, the native predicting a native will be very difficult. The predicting a native will be very difficult because they whatever they speak, like Ketu doesn't have the head. Ketu doesn't have head. In Indian astrology, what it is called as Ketu is a body and Rahu is the head. So, like and Mars is looking at aspecting Moon and Ketu. So they will have the anger temperament. Some people who likes the bold statements and all these. So then these natives, they will give the bold statements. They talk more strong about the home. They talk because of the Mars aspecting this, and Sun is also aspecting the seventh house, and Rahu is also aspecting Moon. So the native can't be predicted. They will be they take the decision at the nth moment, and nth moment, and it can't be like they can't hold to their decisions for long time, and they talk a lot, and the talking also like doesn't holds always good. Trump has Venus in his 12th house, and Saturn also in 12th house. So when Saturn is in 12th house, the native will work hard. Working is hard, but he has the 12th house Shukra, the 11th and 3rd house Lord is in 12th house. The third house is called as the communication, and 11th house is called luck. The 10th house is called luck. So the 10th house is working. So this native will work in the film industry or the reality industry, and the real estate industry, and he has basically the 3rd house Lord is in the 12th house. So that is like a kind of the communication will be his communication will create lot of expenses for him. That's what he has to follow up on his communication. So when he won the election, what I see is because of the Rahu Dasha. The Rahu Dasha was at his nth moment. Rahu Dasha was at his nth moment, and due to that Rahu Dasha was at nth moment, he got the election win. After his election over, he had a very tough time. Everybody, like lot of I see just general discussion. People, whenever I communicated with a lot of Trump supporters, they were telling he never had a good time after winning the election. He always had a impeachment talks because of I will just move this screen a bit. The Guru is in second house. The Guru is in second house, and the Guru's significance is the Guru is in Buddha, Mercury's house. The Guru is in Mercury's house. Mercury is the house for intelligence, and he overshadowed the basic knowledge. The intelligence overshadowed the basic knowledge, and the second house is called as a Badakadipati, and he is his Marakadipati is like mm, ninth house. The Mars is in Lagna. Mars is in his Lagna. So right now his Badakadipati's Dasha is going on. Due to Badakadipati Dasha, he had a lot of problems since the elections. And right now it is like until Jupiter and Saturn is going on. See here, if you see 28:10, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars, his temperament will be high until 28:10. After that, Rahu is there until 2021. So, Jupiter, Saturn, and Rahu. The Rahu has very good winning combinations for him. Maybe due to Rahu he may win, but Mars and Jupiter are showing not the best things for him, not the best. 2, 5, 8, 9 and 412. 412 is the Rahu. The 2-minute values only 11. I can't predict he is going to win, but if in case if anything, if he is going to win, it is due to Rahu. Like when he won first time, that time also he won due to Rahu. This time also, if he wins, he will win due to Rahu. Let us think. I hope he eats more of the black grams, so that the Trump supporters should tell him to eat vada. That is vada is Rahu's food. That is black gram. I will give more details about the black gram.